Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to create Shopify store for local dropshipping. The first thing you will need to do is create a Shopify account. I will be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up to Shopify for completely free. Once you have created your account, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on settings. After selecting settings, I want you to tap on markets from the left-hand menu option. And from here, depending on the country you're located in, you're going to see that that is the market that is active. And you can see international is inactive. So once you have created a Shopify account, depending on the address that you have placed in, it is automatically going to create your Shopify account for local dropshipping. So because I'm located in Jamaica, it automatically activates the Jamaica market, as you can see right here. I would have to go into settings and select international, and then from there activate international market for persons from other countries to be able to complete a purchase. But at the moment, let's say for example, I would like to leave it at local. So all I would need to do is tap on Jamaica for example sake, and then from there you can see that everything is set up for the Jamaican market. You can see that I will be advertising my products in the Jamaican currency, and I can also offer free shipping, or I can easily set the shipping rates and duties for Jamaica. So that's basically it when it comes on to creating a Shopify store for local market. Another thing that I would also recommend is that you find a supplier that will be able to supply you with your products that you're planning to dropship in a quick and timely manner. And you can find different suppliers from all over the world. It doesn't matter the country or region you're located in, that will be able to assist you. All you need to do is do a quick Google search of best dropshipping suppliers, for example, in the United States, in the UK, in Canada, or so on. Here is an article that I came across on Shopify, and you can see the different suppliers that are highly rated. Normally, you will have AliExpress, and AliExpress offers worldwide delivery, but depending on where you're located, it may take a while for it to arrive. You also have Dysers, which also offers products from AliExpress, but the plus about these other platforms is they have marketplaces, or better yet, they have warehouses all over the world, so they'll be able to offer a quicker shipping time. With a quicker shipping time, you'll be able to build a better relationship with your customers, as they'll be able to receive their products in a timely manner. So I would definitely recommend that you either go with Dysers, Zendrop, or Modalist, or even Spocket, depending on where you're located in. And all of these apps that you see right here can quickly be integrated onto your Shopify store. To add an app, all you'll need to do is go back onto your Shopify admin page, then go over to the left-hand menu option and tap on apps. Then from there, you can tap on all recommended apps. After you have done that, you can tap on Shopify App Store. Once on the Shopify App Store, you can tap on the search bar, and then from there you could tap on finding products. After doing that, you can see the numerous apps that you can quickly integrate. You have Dysers, which will offer products from AliExpress and other suppliers, but again, one of the standout features is they have more than one warehouse across the world. You also have CJ Dropshipping, which is a highly rated one, and you have AutoDS, and you also have Zendrop and Spocket. And if you're planning to do print on demand, you can use either Printify or Printful. And that's basically it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.